Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase there for make the fans them know what really I want.
That one, grenade.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, when you find the Gaza station, welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, we are talking about a recent song and a number of posts, OC, from such man and them camp. Now the track, viewers and subscribers, high props. The fans are saying no, this song should be removed from the platform or from the genre of dancehall because of the lyrical content. Now, first and foremost, let me first hear the song. Me that hope say a walls him say hope, but people are saying no. He's referring to another part of the female anatomy. And I say him one deal with it like a bulldozer. That you don't know in a dancehall music. If him brave enough to actually say that on a dancehall track, enough in a dancehall music. We are called for the removal of this individual from our genre. Because remember, him did say a thing about the brata. And him rush up him head. And we are say, alright, maybe he was misguided as a youth. And now him find him we and realize say him loo. And he might try to find himself back or forward to reality. But no, people are saying him go one step further off. Again, and I go say him want deal with our rear like a bulldozer. As I say, when I first hear the song, me that hope say walls. Talk to me in the comment section. Talk to me in the comment section. Now I'm friend Geg0. Me don't know it. Remember, my friend Geg0 a producer, member of the camp. I don't know if him hear the song even before the song was released. I would suspect he did. Geg0 trim off him head. Geg0 said the camp are going a whole rent-a-jet type of vibes with the lyrical content we have put out. He must say it no right. And him trim off him locks, viewers and subscribers, with Alkaline responding saying him a preview cut off him head. Because times dread out a road. And in reality, it look like them a plan for trim 1-1, which are some of them plan we need to do. Now Jahmiel, viewers and subscribers, him have a post where he must say, fill in the blank. Him not say nothing wrong with world and this is the blank there. Some people are say people in it. No. But a boss missing from that. In a dancehall music, remember when they said to Drake, say yo, finish the statement. Free world and a boss was the statement or word to complete that sentence. He must say nothing wrong with the world boss. Of course. The world boss has never gone out time way to disrespect you. He must point out that Jahmiel was losing the lyrical confrontation against Chronicler. And that was the fact of the matter. So if you want him to say anything other than the truth, then something is wrong with you. But that time statement, while holding the 6 sign, viewers and subscribers, it looked like this at the end for the MVP. It looked like we can actually call this the final hours of the MVP. Whether the camp are going to split and go them separate ways, or at this point in time, some people that say them already are going them separate ways, because we see even the producers, the part Alkaline, more a link up with Intense and Iwater as opposed to link up with Movado and Jahmiel. We don't really see that link there going, we don't really see Jahmiel a vice. The majority time friend them. You know what I mean? They might have a one track where they record many months ago and just get put out now. But that means it's a recent recording. And remember, they were not a part of the new rules lineup. So I guess viewers and subscribers, this look like a hit for the MVP. You know what I mean? That song they do high props. As I'm say, if him say what him saying it needs to be removed from the platform. Especially from our genre as dancehall. Him could look crazy in his brain. But say these things. And if him really say these things, I show you say no respect for the genre. No have no respect for the culture and the movement. Knowing we are not a part of that type of lifestyle. And I put it in a music. for the whole public ear, for international crowd that say wait, and that's the vibe with dancehall depend now. Misrepresentation of the genre. Geg0 Chimafi made. Must say Rasta thing now work. And really and truly enough of these youth are youth a Rasta because Alkaline Rasta and then that try to make the whole movement look unified. Are uniformed. For a better choice of words. Yeah, make it look like a one link, a one movement, who a Rasta grow here and you know what I mean? Yeah, so the thing. And all members Rasta them head though. But it look like them a plan to start trim 1-1 because they rent a dread vibe. Dancehall see what I want. Dancehall see them not get them head to get acceptance in the movement. Acceptance in the game. Some people I said Jahmiel now I try, you know what I mean? We don't know if it's a friendship, man. Look back at, yo, there is no forgiveness for transgression. The teacher already point that out and put that in our song. So all who don't believe, who don't know, no one knows say facts. But we see my throw up the 6 sign and I say, yo, you know what I mean? You know, there's nothing wrong with the world boss and we don't know if this is an attempt. Yeah, we don't know if this is an empty attempt by Jahmiel for what? You know what I mean? Try to kind of mend the bridges, as them would have said. And, you know, extend an olive branch. We're not looking at olive branch from them still. But we don't know if that's the sentiment and that's the mindset right now. Why would I see him put up this? And this post was made a number of days ago. But nobody not even really pay attention to him. Or his page, it got unnoticed. Since the whole news of, you know what I mean, the split with Mov and DJ Khaled and the whole vibe and the whole energy there, we realize that, oh, it look like it have a domino effect. And we'll also see something up with the MVP. As I would have said though, as artists linked up, not because they are naysayers of a teaching, I mean say yo, dancehall have nothing against them. What dancehall now agree with is the lyrical content them a put out and the claims what them want to make pan dancehall. And Move like him want to stand up on the same level as teacher. And you can never, ever get dancehall to believe that Move. Not because you have shared a stage with the teacher and you have been a part of a lyrical confrontation with the teacher. That no means that we will ever consider you as the same thing as Vybz Kartel. You're wrong. You're awful wrong and you know that. Now, when some people want to say, oh, them are the dominant group and them are do this for the music and them are do that for the music, we have to say no. And make it up. A fabrication that we know those who are championing the cause of dancehall music. We know those who put out music will help to elevate dancehall music. And really and truly, we have said this. Members of the Gaza nation have done more for dancehall in the last 5 to 10 years than majority of other members of dancehall music. We see Popcorn go over there and set the hip-hop link with Drake and also revitalized the dancehall scene in the UK. Because tell the truth, a Chronics and Protege them we'd see a go over England and lock down England. And them represent the reggae side of Jamaican music. A Popcorn them will see go lock down Wembley and lock down arenas in Birmingham. Where him are the artists where people come to see. And I like them come to see another prominent UK artist and him up on the lineup and him is the opening act. No, him are the main act and the England artists them are open up to him. Gigs open up for Popcorn. That is stardom. Gigs open up for Popcorn. That is stardom. You know who is Gigs? Now UK music. You know who are Gigs? And them man the main artist when they talk about the London grime scene. The main artist. Yes. And the man they say fully Gaza too. Straight Gaza Gigs them say. Stardom at its finest. These artists have actually done nothing for the music. The music has done everything for them. Talk to me in the comment section. Make I want to know how you feel about that track there. High props. It sound like him go Louis night. You know what I mean? Me that say a walls. And the song flopped just because there was no mention of the teacher night. Don't confuse a song being trending on the platform with a song doing well. It's a trend because people interested in the fact that put out new music. But do not get that confused with the fact that people showing support for that song. Now I feel like still the artist song him dropped since a year. And the only reason why that song is so hot are because of the mention. Or because of the sneak this. Them having night. Other than that, as you see, it didn't mention certain people's name. Nobody mentions them. But I see the one called Jayden, she's the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now, If you're new to the channel, you're new to the movement, you just a pass through. But you like the reason, of course, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified about fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available to you right here on the platform. The like icon is also there as well. Drop a like on the blog for me, like we here. The share icon is also located in close proximity to the like icons. You can tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason, and yes, join the discussion via the comment section. Always open 24/7, no matter when you see the blog. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop it out the comments and your opinions there. Yes, we can continue the reason via this location. You know the something going for those who don't. Our utmost settings somehow need no ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love, and prosper until the reason.